Hi, today I'll be showing you my new Samsung WB650 digital camera. We'll be doing an unboxing, so let's start with the specifications. Okay, it has 12 megapixel picture quality, as well as GPS with geo-tagging, Smart Auto 2.0, a 24mm wide-angle lens, which is a Schneider KREUZNACH 15 times optical zoom. It also has an AMOLED display, HD movie recording, HDMI, and Smart Album. Okay, let's open it up. Okay, so we have some documents on top here. Let's open it up. Okay, we have a user manual, CD-ROM, and a strap for the camera. We also have a quick start manual and a warranty certificate. Okay, and now inside we have an AC adapter, a USB cable, and of course our rechargeable battery. Okay, now the main event. Okay, so here we have the camera. Okay, first of all, I like the simple design. That's nice. Okay, here is the greatest feature. This is a 24mm Schneider KREUZNACH 15 times super optical zoom. Alright, let's take a look at the top. Alright, we have the GPS button, the power button, shutter button, and the mode dial. Here we have the ports for the USB, AV, and the HDMI port. We also have a hole for the strap, and on the bottom here a cover for the battery chamber. Alright, so let's turn on the power. We gotta start with the battery here. Oh, wrong way. Put it that way. Make sure you put the battery in the right way. Then turn on the power. Okay, let's look at the different modes on the dial here. First is dual IS. We have GPS, scene, and movie mode. We also have Smart Auto, Auto, Program, and ASM. On the front here we have menu, as well as the navigation button, playback button, and the function button. With a built-in GPS map viewer, you will always know where you were when you took the picture. 12 megapixels complemented by an AMOLED display will make pictures clear to see. Great camera, isn't it? This has been a Samsung WB650 unboxing. Thanks for watching.